Hi, welcome to holidayhomesforsale.com.au. In this video, I'll show you how to add agencies and agents to the site. Please watch through for the step-by-step guide. To begin, scroll to the bottom of any page and click Agency and Agent Sign Up in the bright blue box. On the Agency Sign Up page, enter your first and last name, a username, your agency email address, phone number, and a password. Then select Agency from the menu and type in your agency name. Next, click Register. Next, log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the dashboard menu, click My Profile to update your agency's public profile. First, upload your agency logo. Then fill in the remaining fields, including your agency address, mobile phone number, company name, and service areas. Click Save. Once it's saved, you can view your agency's public profile by clicking View Public Profile in the top right corner. Now the next step is to add your agency's agents. From the dashboard menu, scroll down to the Team section and click Add Agent. On the Add Agent page, enter a username, the agent's email address, the agent's first and last name, and a password. Then tick Send the new agent an email about their account. Then click Save. Now, you've created an agent for your agency. Now let's update an agent's profile. Click Agents from the dashboard menu. On the Agents page, find the agent you want to edit. In the Actions column, click the three dots and select Edit. This will take you to the agent's profile page. Then upload the agent's photo, choose their public display name, and fill in the remaining fields: job position, mobile number, agency address, service areas, and specialties. When you're done, click Save. Finally, to view the agent's public profile, go back to the Agents List page. In the Actions column, click the three dots next to the agent and select View. This will open the agent's public profile. And that's it. You've created your agency and agent public profiles. In the next video, I'll show you how to quickly create property listings.